most days. I'm dreading the sun coming up, so I mean, I gotta get up.
Yeah, I'm rushing the sun now. Yeah, exactly.
Now I'm like, just come on.
Hurry up. I kind of wanted to hear his chant, but I guess we're too far
Probably not
away.
gonna hear it.
Yeah, probably too far away. He probably got 2 steak biscuits and coffee.
We'll do it when we get it to Senate, too.
Did he say he paid $1.2 million for the land in Volcano? Google it. And then built the house.
Well, yeah, I'm just telling y'all now, if I pay $1.2 million in the Volcano Canyon, I'm gonna get some shovel and a pick, and I'm getting a lava almonds in Hawaii. Can have my land. Go get me a bulldozer and a backhoe or something. Get all that lava off my land.
I know that's right.
Yeah. I'm just glad it ain't no wind. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, I think he's chanting. Oh no. I'm thinking Steph gonna be looking up once I get on this bus.
Be a whole lot of change.
Just saying.
I'm starting to lose my voice.
Hey, that's what I'm saying, man. I'm like, golly.
Were you the one who's gonna make the car sick? Roll down for us. We did that 2 days ago.
That hot sand seemed like a pleasure right now.
Man, what you said. Went from burning your feet yesterday to freezing.
You're not really my toes are like frozen. I should have brought my snow
It's very
boots.
sketchy, too. Because you can only fit one car at a time.
I need my boots with the fur.
Right. Where you going with that snow outfit to Hawaii?
Oh no, you know my favorite winter coat. That long,
Oh
big
my
puffy
God,
pink
yeah.
one down it.
The one that you and Charmaine got just
Yeah.
like. Oh, is that the sign? We got some action.
That star has got to be going down.
Like right between them clouds or mountain right there. Is that the sun coming up?
I don't know. I'm looking for a round ball.
Well, it's pretty bright orange. I think that's the sun.
I think the clouds are moving.
Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's gotta be the sun. Yeah, that's it. Breaking through.
Feel like we gotta talk to it. Come on, son.
I know. You can do it. You can do it.
Do it every day. Come on.
Oh yeah, there we go. Peeking through like an eclipse. What they call it, a diamond. Carmen, this is pretty cool, but this ain't like on my top 10 of wow that I've had in my life.
He's at 608. 604.
Yeah, come in. We're gonna make the sun rise faster.
Oh, there it is.
Funny.
Okay. Now that's the real song. There it is.
Feel my eyebrows.
Yeah, where you going, son? I see him with that jacket on.
Dude, where's that?
I told you, you need to put your glasses on. He's bad enough looking at it with the glasses on.
I feel like we all doing what we're not supposed to do. Stare
Oh,
directly.
stay in the sun. Yeah, I'm not looking dead.
Stare directly.
I'm looking at it through I'm videoing it, so I'm just looking at it in my camera.
All right, okay, let's go.
Man, that was great.
That's how we try to look at it.
You know, I enjoyed that.
You got him?
Okay.